In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use liquid syntax for personalization in Lemlist. First, log into your Lemlist account and open any campaign where you want to personalize your messages. Go to an email step or create a new one. Inside the email editor, place your cursor where you want to insert personalized text. Lemlist uses liquid syntax to dynamically pull information from your lead data. To add personalization, type 2 curly braces, then the variable name. For example, to insert a prospect's first name, type first name. When the email is sent, Lemlist automatically replaces that variable with the contact's actual first name. You can also use other variables like last name, company name, or icebreaker, depending on the data available in your lead list. One of the most useful features is fallback text. This helps prevent blank spaces if a field is missing. For example, first name default, there. If the contact doesn't have a first name, Lemlist will simply display there instead. You can combine multiple variables and regular text to create highly personalized outreach messages that feel more natural and improve reply rates. Before launching your campaign, use the preview feature to check how your liquid syntax will appear for different contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.